Have you ever wondered if you should drink lemon water every day? Is it really beneficial for your health? Or is it just a trend? Despite what you may have heard, lemon water works, but perhaps not for the reasons you think. So, what are the real reasons why you should be drinking lemon water daily? What are the myths surrounding lemon water? And what are the potential downsides? This is today's topic: the 7 health benefits of lemon water and 2 possible risks. Stay tuned. You will see how a small change in your routine can make a big impact on your health. But first, go ahead and like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on our health tips, and share this video with as many people as possible on WhatsApp, Facebook, and Telegram. Let's spread quality information far and wide. Do you drink lemon water every day? Have you tried it but given up? Where are you watching from? Write down below. 7 benefits of lemon water and 2 possible risks. Let's go. What can something as simple and cheap as lemon water do for your health? Here are the 7 benefits. 7th benefit: lemon water may reduce fat in the liver. Yes, it's true. Lemon water can help reduce liver fat, but not because it magically cleans your liver cells. People who drink lemon water often avoid sugary drinks like boxed juices, sodas, and even natural fruit juices. By swapping out orange juice for lemon water at breakfast, you can reduce liver fats, and sugary beverages are the main source of added sugar in many diets. Lemon water has fewer calories, under 10 per glass, and much less sugar compared to juice. This can accelerate fat loss in the liver when combined with exercise and a diet low in refined carbohydrates and sugars. 6th benefit: improves skin health. Lemon contains 2 essential elements for your skin: vitamin C and flavonoids. Vitamin C helps your body produce collagen, which maintains the elasticity of your skin, preventing sagging and wrinkles. It also acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your skin from damage caused by pollution, UV rays, and oxidative stress. However, you must squeeze the lemon right before drinking, as vitamin C breaks down over time. Fresh lemon is key. Lemon water can also help with skin hydration, making your skin appear more radiant and plump. 5th benefit: helps prevent kidney stones. Lemon water can help prevent certain types of kidney stones, which are often incredibly painful. Drinking more water helps prevent crystal formation that can turn into stones. Additionally, lemons are rich in citrate, which helps inhibit the growth of calcium oxalate crystals, responsible for 80% of kidney stones. Citrate also alkalizes the urine, potentially breaking down small stones. If you're prone to kidney stones, drinking lemon water twice a day could make a big difference. 4th benefit: improves digestion. Drinking lemon water before meals can improve digestion. The citric acid in lemon stimulates the production of stomach acid, which is essential for breaking down food, especially as you age. Lemon water also increases peristalsis, the muscle contractions that move food through the digestive tract. Additionally, vitamin C aids in iron absorption, helping prevent anemia. 3rd benefit: boosts immunity. Vitamin C strengthens the immune system, and lemons are an excellent source. Lemon water has antiviral and antibacterial properties that can protect you from illness. It also supports gut health by maintaining healthy gut bacteria, which are crucial for overall immunity. 2nd benefit: enhances hydration. Yes, lemon water counts toward your daily hydration goals. Many people don't drink enough water simply because they find it bland. Adding lemon to your water can make it more appealing, encouraging you to drink more. Proper hydration is essential for digestion, metabolism, and detoxification. Starting your day with lemon water can also boost your energy levels. 1st benefit: may help with weight loss. Lemon water alone won't make you lose weight, but it can be a useful tool. By replacing higher calorie drinks with lemon water, you can reduce overall calorie intake, leading to weight loss over time. Drinking water before meals has also been shown to reduce calorie consumption, and lemon water may increase feelings of fullness. Plus, staying hydrated keeps your metabolism running smoothly. Risks of lemon water. While lemon water is generally safe, there are two potential risks. Gastric issues. If you drink lemon water on an empty stomach, it may cause gastritis, acid reflux, or even ulcers, as the citric acid can stimulate gastric juices, leading to discomfort or worsening pre-existing conditions. Tooth enamel damage. The citric acid in lemon can erode tooth enamel, making your teeth more sensitive. To minimize the risk, drink lemon water through a straw and rinse your mouth afterward. Should you drink lemon water hot or cold? That's up to you. If you have constipation, opt for warm lemon water as it can have a laxative effect. How to prepare lemon water. Lemon water is simply lemon juice mixed with water. Use half a lemon for 1 glass of water. You can add mint leaves, ginger, or turmeric for an extra health boost, but avoid adding sugar or honey, as it could negate the benefits. Lemon water myths. One of the most common myths is that lemon water helps alkalize the blood. This is false. The pH of your blood is tightly regulated by your kidneys and lungs, not by what you eat or drink. Lemon water can only alkalize your urine, but that doesn't impact your blood's pH. Final verdict. Is lemon water worth it? Yes. While the benefits of lemon water may have been exaggerated, there's little to no risk in drinking it daily. It's a low-calorie, low-sugar beverage that can help you stay hydrated, boost vitamin C intake, and support your health in many ways. Most importantly, it can help you avoid sugary drinks that lead to inflammation and health issues. So, start adding lemon to your water today. Did you like the video? Don't forget to share it with others so they can benefit from this knowledge too.